Here's a pair of the AirPods Max headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Element 4K Xumo TV via Bluetooth. First thing is go to the settings on your Element TV. If you have a remote like this, you have a settings button right there. If not, just go to the home screen, click on the home button on the remote, and then navigate up there to the gear icon. So move over there, right there, click on OK on the remote. From here, we're going to scroll down to picture and sound. So down, 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 right there, picture and sound. OK on the remote. From here, we're going to scroll down to audio settings. So down, 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 audio settings. OK on the remote. Now from here, we're going to go down to Bluetooth devices. Down, down. Bluetooth devices right there. Go ahead and click on OK. Now searching for available devices that are in pairing mode near me. So now we got to hurry up and put these into pairing mode. So let's put these into pairing mode. So what I want is I'm going to press and hold this button right here. Not the crown, but this button here. I'm going to press and hold and just wait till I get a white blinking light. Okay, so button right here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep holding. It's solid white. Still holding. Blinking white. There it is. Let go. And let's wait for it to find it. Sometimes if you take too long, you're going to have to go back and then do the search again. But anyway, found it right there, AirPods Max. I'm just going to go ahead and move over to pair right there. Click on OK on the remote. Oh, there you go. It says connected right there. So we're connected. We are ready to go. Now, if you had issues, and let me show you the volume works on the headphones, but it works only when it's on your on your ears. Okay, so I'll put it on my ears, and now you can see I can turn the volume up and down. Anyway, if you guys have issues connecting or pairing, you can always reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below.